Professor Gatze Lettinga from the Netherlands has been awarded this year's Lee Kuan Yew Water Prize for his environmentally sustainable solution for the treatment of used water using anaerobic technology. His revolutionary treatment concept allows industrial used water to be purified cost-effectively and also produces renewable energy, fertilizers and soil conditioners to boot.
This has at least two functions: cleaning the water, recovering resources, and so energy, and to become self-sufficient, independent of all kinds of complex infrastructures. And for that reason, in the beginning, especially polluting industries became very interested in this process because it is extremely economical. They can become completely self-sufficient, independent on all kinds of expensive consultants and contractors, etc., etc.
Professor Lettinga has chosen not to patent this invention so that his water treatment technology can be universally available.
I think I'm a realist, but I am an anti-monopolist. I think some things which should be used for everybody, for happiness and safety and a clean world, these kind of systems should be available for everybody. Step by step we see improvements, but also here in our department we are still working on that system to improve it, to get it applied for at high temperatures, at very low temperatures, at high pressures, at the low pH, etc., etc. So there are a lot of possibilities to exploit, to improve it. And looking back, already a lot has been achieved, but there are still a lot of possibilities.
As a result, his technology has been widely adopted in industrial as well as municipal use. Today, the technology is in use in almost 3,000 reactors, representing about 80% of all the anaerobic used water treatment systems in the world.
It is a very unique installation because we have over here the anaerobic treatment plant, UASB, about 2,500 cubic meter, removing the main part of the COD and reducing sulfate, because there is a lot of sulfate in the wastewater.
The Lee Kuan Yew Water Prize is an international award recognizing an individual or organization for outstanding contributions in the field of water. Professor Lettinga's process uses microorganisms in an oxygen-free environment to purify used water. His anaerobic reactor is able to pre-treat polluted used water from industries such as breweries, beverages, paper and pulp manufacturing, sugar, starch and alcohol distilleries. The untreated output contains a large amount of organic contaminants, some of which can't be efficiently removed by normal aerobic processes, and some are toxic. As well as cleaning the water, the process also produces methane, which is the principal component in natural gas and can be used as a fuel to generate electricity. Treatment plants using Professor Lettinga's technology are able to offset part of their plant's operating costs by generating this renewable power.
Jan, how much of the power you need here is covered by your own production?
We are making 1500 kilowatts hour. We use 400 kilowatts. The rest is sold.
Of course, I am very happy. It is a very big surprise. I didn't expect it. It is for me, for my colleagues here, but also for colleagues supporting our ideas and our approach. Extremely important, extremely motivating, because it is an acknowledgement of the importance of this work. And especially because the prize is from Singapore. Because they achieved a lot in closing water loops in Singapore with high-tech systems.
The award ceremony and banquet will be held during the second Singapore International Water Week in June. It'll bring policymakers, industry leaders, experts and practitioners together to address challenges, showcase technologies, discover opportunities and celebrate achievements in the water world. Alan Lee, Nzone Tonight.